You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this expression. I love this expression. Of course, I'm French, and yes, it comes from French. So how do you say it correctly? The French pronunciation for reference is volte-face. Volte-face. An act of turning round so as to face in the opposite direction. So essentially when you turn around and flip abruptly. In English, the pronunciation is similar because it comes from French. Volte-face. Yeah, volt, like, the unit of electricity, measurement of electricity, volt. Volte-face, all right? So it's not volte-face. It looks like volte-face, but it's French. So volte-face. It's easy once you know English pronunciation. Volte-face. French. Volte-face. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.